Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca. Welcome back. So today I am going to be reviewing the Louis Vuitton Escale Pochette Cosmetique cosmetic bag with Louis Vuitton. So I will be unboxing it and also giving you guys an idea of what the cosmetic bag is. Okay, so first impressions too. So here's the lovely ribbon. They wrapped it up all nice. Take that off. Put it here. And the box is that nice orangey textured thing. It got super out of focus. So here's the box. It says Louis Vuitton. We're going to open it. Ooh. Cute. This. So it has the dust bag. It's really light. And here it is. Ooh. So this bag is in the color pastel. What does it have? This is canvas. Canvas. And it has the leather triangle. Oh, this isn't gold. This is silver. Oh, it's a silver zip closure. Ooh. It has that wonderful sound of the zipper. So let's open it. Oh, it's ballerina pink. Ballerina pink on the inside.
Pastel pink.
Oh, pastel pink?
Mm-hmm.
Not ballerina pink?
No.
Oh. Oops. Okay. And so on the inside, it has a little booklet of information. And this is what it looks like completely on the outside. Very, very bright colors. So on the inside is completely pink. Pink, pink, pink. You'll see here there is a pouch. And there's also that Louis Vuitton tag. Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. You can see that in there. I'm like, rah. So this is the bag. This is the cosmetic bag. So if you saw in our last video when I was doing what's inside my mom's bag, we were talking about how she needs something for her insulin. And her needles. Ugh. Oh, this is what checks your blood sugar. This is her glucometer. And here are her test strips. So the diabetics essentials all here. And so in the last video we were talking about how we could really use something for that. Well, lo and behold, we got one for Mom. And this one in particular is currently out of stock on the website. So if you jump onto the Louis Vuitton website, you'll see that it is currently out of stock, but there is a notify me button right here, and on the notify me you can enter in your email address and they can tell you when it's available in your area. And so some of the information that it has on the website for this bag. So the description on the website has, for summer 2020, the cosmetic pouch is revisited in monogram giant canvas with a tie-dye print as part of the LV Escale collection of accessories and leather goods. The ideal makeup bag both for travel and everyday, or in our case, Mom's insulin goodies. This surprisingly spacious pouch features a wide zippered opening and a washable lining. Ooh, that's cool. It's washable in case anything spills. Mm-hmm. So some of the detailed features that it says on the website, it's 7.48 by 4.72 by 2.36 inches. That's length, height, and width. It's in the color pastel. It has that monogram coated canvas, cowhide leather trim, washable lining. It has the silver color lining, hardware, silver color hardware, zip closure, and an inside flat pocket. So that's all the technical terms of what I said earlier, but this is pretty much it. It's very lightweight on its own, but you can tell it has that structure, so it's not gonna, unless you completely crush it like I just did. So let's put Mom's stuff in there. Starting with her insulin pen and needles. Is everything gonna fit in here?
Yes.
Test strips. Glucometer. Sure, everything fits in here. So, ooh, okay. Everything does fit. And it's very convenient. So if she ever needs to just go, she just, and you pop that in your bag. Let's see, what else? Here's the bottom of the bag. Side. The top. The side with all of her stuff on the inside. Anything else?
That's it.
Alright, well, thank you very much for your time. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Do you want this bag? I know I want my own.